How to install a Craftsman Lawn Tractor 46-inch deck belt. Over time, the deck belt on your Craftsman 46-inch mower can become brittle and snap, leaving your mower unable to cut grass. The belt stretches around a system of pulleys on top of the mower deck and powers the blades in your mower. A Craftsman deck belt installation can be completed within 10 minutes once the mower deck has been detached. Doing the work yourself can save you from making an expensive trip to the shop. Things you will need: work gloves, replacement Craftsman deck belt. Be sure the mower deck is detached from the Craftsman Lawn Tractor and in an open, level area. Wear work gloves to guard against your fingers possibly being pinched while routing the belt along the deck's pulley system. Loop one end of the replacement belt around either mandrel pulley, making sure to wrap the belt along pulley grooves and inside belt guides. Thread the belt around the second mandrel pulley located on the opposite side of the deck. Loop the belt around the idler pulleys. Guide the last part of belt around the engine pulley, which powers the entire pulley network on the mower deck. Reattach the mower deck to your lawn tractor. Tips warnings. No tools are necessary to replace the deck belt. Use Craftsman approved replacement belts for best results, and expect to pay about $20 per belt.